Contemporary style ranch in popular Governors Square. 4-bedroom split floor plan. Lots of updates over the years. Primary bath and closet remodel is the most recent update. Stall shower with floor-to-ceiling tile, no fog shower mirror and casement window. New vanity with lighted mirror and heated towel rack. Commercial-grade gas stove/oven and wall oven in spacious kitchen. Gutters widened and replaced and 3 sun tubes added. Rinnai tankless water heater and whole house humidifier added to furnace. Sealed crawl space. Speaker system inside and out. Most rooms recently painted and new carpet in primary bedroom, living room and dining room. Can lights recently added to the living room. Professionally landscaped yard with weather-controlled irrigation and full yard invisible fence. Treed view from deck. 2-car oversized garage and 1-car